Neural network. Sounds like we literally wired up a digital brain, right? We didn't. But the real explanation is actually much more interesting. Back in the 40s and 50s, scientists studying the brain noticed that neurons, the cells in your brain, fire signals to each other through connections. They thought, what if we built something like that in software? So they did, and they called it a neural network. Is it actually like your brain? Not really, but the name stuck. Here's the real deal. A neural network is just layers of simple math. Layer 1, the input layer. This is where data goes in. Could be an image, a sentence, a bunch of numbers. Whatever you're asking the AI to process. Layer 2, or 3, or honestly 20, depending on the network. The hidden layers. These take that data and run it through a series of calculations, transforming it, looking for patterns. And the final layer is the output layer. This is where the answer comes out. This is a cat. Sentiment is positive. Next word is the. Each connection between those layers has a number called a weight. Think of it as a dial. Training the neural network is just a process of turning millions of those dials until the answer starts coming out right. So when you hear neural network, don't picture a brain. Picture a really deep chain of math operations, each one just a little smarter than the last, learning from its own mistakes. That architecture, those stacked layers with adjustable weights, is behind virtually every major AI breakthrough of the last 10 years. ChatGPT, image recognition, voice assistants, all of it. Not magic, just math at scale. Next video, we go inside a single neuron and see exactly what the math looks like. Follow so you don't miss it, and drop your questions in the comments. I'm Daniel with Cadmus Lab, and thanks for tuning in for our AI Zero to Hero series.